So I'm gonna attempt to make a pizza here for dinner on Friday night here with the kids. And Liz is gone working at the office, so we'll see how it goes. It's raining outside, so what better time to be inside making pizza dough? Let's do this. It's gonna be a pizza party?
Right, it's gonna be a pizza party.
I'm gonna boil some water, or heat up some water for our yeast to be active. We got a little instant yeast here. But Amelia, you got your apron on. Are you ready to make some pizza dough? Yeah, we're gonna put flour and yeast and a little bit of olive oil and salt and water into a food processor. And then we're gonna turn it on for about 30 seconds and mix it up and then let it rest. He's come to help, so we're gonna make some pizzas. All right, so we need flour. Let's follow the recipe. What do you think?
4 ready.
Put 3 cups of flour,
No. 4 ready.
yeast, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's activate the yeast and water. Teaspoons of yeast. And then we can get 3 cups of flour, okay?
And it'll be really messy.
Hopefully not. You want to put some in there? There you go. Maybe even a little bit more. Or we can just... There you go. Okay, put that one in there. Good job. We'll know to add a little bit more to make it a full scoop. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Good job. Now add like another half a cup. That's perfect right there. Yep. Good job. Now we're gonna pour our yeast in there. All right, now we need 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yep, that's the salt. You got it.
And can I help?
You can help me with the olive oil. All right, let's get a scoop of salt. And can you put this in the food processor, Murray? Put that in the food processor up with the... Yeah, good job. You did it. All right. A little bit of salt on the countertop, but that never hurt anybody, did it? All right, now 2 teaspoons of olive oil, Amelia. You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Hold it out over top of it in case we spill any. And then when it's full, you can dump it in. Okay, dump that in there. Yeah, 1. And then how many more makes 2? 2. There we go. And then the last bit of yeast, Murray. All right, now we need 1 cup of water through the feed tube. Let's put this on. Stop. Right, here we go. Turn it on. This food processor only uses 110 watts, and for 30 seconds we're looking at like no energy. Small kitchen appliances are totally fine for living off the grid. And now we want a tablespoon of water at a time. Okay, so we can pour that in there. That's probably it. Maybe 1 more. There you go. That's fun. Good job. Look at that. Okay, about 30 seconds. Perfect. All right, now let's let it rest. All right, I think we got this. It's rested for 5 minutes, and we're gonna work it into a ball.
Daddy, can you pick me up?
Yeah, there you go. You got it. There you go. And we're gonna push it under. There you go. That's beautiful. Oh. rest for like an hour and watch it rise. For 20 minutes. A new one. You want to help me roll out this pizza dough and make part of a new video? It's gonna be... I'm gonna get another log and a fire. Look at that, we are hot. We're at 350 Celsius. That's about 700 degrees Fahrenheit. That should be hot enough for some pizzas. Let's go ahead and put this one in. We like to bake the crust first so we can pile the toppings high. Still make sure we got a crispy crust. Just watching it puff. I like to pop it with a knife and then deflate it. Amelia's rolling out the next dough. Look at that. Are you having fun, Amelia?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Do a video of that.
Uh-huh. What toppings are you going to put on your pizza?
Cheese and sausage.
Yeah, yum. Mama made some pesto too.
Yeah, we have some fresh cilantro pesto.
Yummy. Some veggies. Yum. Sausage.
We're making some pizza.
And the pizza goes in.
Right. Amelia's gonna make a pizza, make her pizza and then we can make bread.
Now I'm making my own pizza. I love my pizza. I think Murray wants to try some of my pizza.
I bet he will.
Yummy Amelia! You make the yummiest pizza ever.
Yeah. Yum, it smells so good.
That looks good.
Broccoli and cheddar.
That looks awesome.
Careful, it's hot.
Are you gonna slice?
Yeah, I'm gonna slice it up and I'm gonna give everybody.
Nice toppings, Mama.
Do you have a timer on?
My pizza.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Amelia and Murray.
Yeah. Thank you for helping, guys. This was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Did you make that pizza?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You did a good job. That crust is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
You like it too, Murray?
Yeah.